In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add Canva designs to your HubSpot content. To do that, you first need to just create your design on Canva, and once it's done, just proceed to download it. Click on the share option, click onto this download, and choose how you want to download it. I recommend to download it via PNG and just select the page that you want to use. Let's choose the first one and click on download. And once it's done downloading, you can head over next to your actual HubSpot design. And here is my web page. So since I have downloaded an image, let's add the image right here. So let's head over and add this onto this page. Now click onto these modules, and you can also just choose the media module. You can find it here image. Just drag and drop it right here. Let me input this into this part. Once that's inputted, it will open right here this column page. And in here, just click onto this replace. After that, just click onto this upload and start uploading the file that we have downloaded. So let's head over to our download, get it, and click on open. Then in here, it will show you the actual file. So click onto this right here in order to use this as our image. So that's all there is today, and if you have any questions, just comment them down as well. Also, if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to sign up using our affiliate link given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.